This is a little Ho Back Hoe that I've animated. The motor underneath there. I'll turn it on. And just pull an old pipe out of the ground. And I've got the blinking light there. I've got the figures to animate yet. I've got a bunch of figures I'm still playing with. But that's I've got the backhoe working there now. I'll put that up on the module. I've added some figures on this, and I've got the old piece of pipe and valve. You see the mechanism underneath there, which is just working this. I've got a little voltage regulator, just putting out 1.5 volts to that motor from a 12 volt supply coming in. Now we've got the inspector at the back there. He's just turning his head, just watching what's going on. And we've got that worker there, he's turning his head. And this one here, he's got a little bit of head turn. The guy there with the blue arm, he's got to have his arm waving. I've got another motor to put in there yet. And so that's it. So I'll show where it's going to go on the layout. And that's where I'm going to position it in on the layout. I've got to put the soil and everything around it there yet. I was just pulling the old pipe out. It's interfering with the switch there. And of course we've still got the forklift going. I've got some lights in there now, up and down the street, or the track work. So, starting to get a little bit more animations. I've got to get the figures' heads to turn a little bit more on this to get that right, get that looking right. There's just enough clearance there for the locos to get past. And then street lights, so coming along. So that's where I'm up to at the moment. A bit of progress to share. I do like that forklift. It's a bit of fun. Don't want to go. And food company. Oh, pretty happy with that. Turning out okay by the time I scenic that in. That's be able to just turn that one on off. Got the little 0402 LED up in the cab roof there, flashing the red light. And I'll turn the lights off. Well, there's got the room lights off at the moment. Come down here. See the light goes back there, and I'll do a flash. But yeah, get a bit more whiting. This is just completely with the room dark at the moment. It's looking good.